Well, I want to show y'all some tasteful chicken. You really can't see it. It's pretty dark, but a recipe I got from Some Guy.
Some guy.
Yeah, Some Guy. He's
Oh shit, you hear that?
Oh shit, I hear it. What the fuck is it? Let's go.
Let's go. Stick it around.
Must be those noises out of the sudden. I mean, we're in Cactus, Texas, and hear the noises as well. I watched the news lately. Oh shit, what is that? Oh shit, what the fuck? What the hell are you doing, nigga?
What's up? You hearing them strange noises again or what?
Some strange noises.